Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is David with Roland VIN Verifiers. So today we're talking about how do you get a VIN verification if you live in the city of Corona. Well, first let's talk about what is a VIN verification. A VIN verification is required by the Department of Motor Vehicles whenever you're under three different types of scenarios. Okay, and the first scenario we're going to talk about is going to be a VIN verification if it's going to be needed if you're moving to California for the first time. The second VIN scenario would be if the vehicle does not have a record in the DMV database. So let's say, for example, you're rebuilding a car, or maybe one that's been sitting in your backyard, or one you found in the desert, and there's no documentation in the DMV system. A VIN verification will be needed. And then the third scenario here would be as if you had a VIN number was entered incorrectly on the title by the DMV clerk or some other third party who enters information for titles, and that needed to be corrected. A VIN verification would be required for that. Okay, so once you decide that any of these here apply to you, you can go ahead and reach out to us. You can get a VIN verification Corona. The way to do that is to go to rolandvinverifiers.com, our website, and book your appointment. You can also pay there as well, and then get your receipt and invoice. And you can also get a calendar reminder when it gets close to having your VIN verification done. You can also reach out to us by phone at 909 206 4799. You can chat with me. There's an option to chat that's there on your mobile device and your cell phone or tablet. You can also go old school if you want and email me, David at rolandvinverifiers.com, and I can answer any questions you have as well and then help you set up your appointment too. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, you can just go ahead and reach out to us. Again, like I said, at rolandvinverifiers.com and 909 206 4799. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can help put out some good information for you. And that's it. And take care and see you in the next video.